Hello everyone, this is Master Imi speaking. Welcome to my online course. Our topic today is the time. Let's start. Look at the picture. This is a clock. The clock has two hands. The long hand shows the minutes. You can see it in red color. The short hand shows the hours. You can find it in blue color. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are 24 hours in a day. The time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is noted as AM. The time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is noted as PM. Look at the picture. It's 8 o'clock AM and it's also 8 o'clock PM. In 24-hour clock time, the following rules are observed. 12 midnight equal 24 hours. 12 noon equal 12 hours. The first two digits from the left show the hour. The numeral formed by the two digits from the right shows the minutes. Change the following to 24-hour clock time. 8 AM. It's 8 hours. 10 PM. It's 22 hours. 7 PM. It's 19 hours. 2 PM. It's 14 hours. 5 PM. It's 17 hours. How to tell the time? When the minute hand is between 12 and 6, it is past the hour. For example, it's 10 minutes past 2. Or you can tell it's 10 past 2. When the minute hand is between 6 and 12, it is 2 the hour. For example, it's 20 minutes to 9, or it's 20 to 9. When the minute hand is on 15, it is quarter past the hour. For example, it's quarter past 6. When the minute hand is on 6, it is half past the hour. For example, it's half past 11. When the minute hand is on 9, it is quarter to the hour. For example, it's quarter to 4. When the minute hand is on 12, it is o'clock. For example, it's 8 o'clock.
Let's tell time with a quarter past, half past, and a quarter to. 1 o'clock, a quarter past 1, half past 1, a quarter to 2, 2 o'clock, a quarter past 2, half past 2, a quarter to 3, 3 o'clock, a quarter past 3, half past 3, a quarter to 4, 4 o'clock. A quarter past 4, half past 4. A quarter to 5, 5 o'clock. A quarter past 5, half past 5. A quarter to 6, 6 o'clock. A quarter past 6, half past 6. A quarter to 7, 7 o'clock. A quarter past 7, half past 7. A quarter to 8, 8 o'clock.
Now let's practice. Time telling. Look at the picture. What's the time? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What is the time? It's 6 o'clock. What's the time? It's 1 minute to 7. Or you can also say it's 1 to 7. Both are correct. What time is it? It's 16 minutes past 12. Or you can tell it's 16 past 12. Both are good. What's the time? It's 22 minutes to 11. Or you can say 22 to 11. Now let's see how to count with the time. Watch a short video about this.
Time interval. Hello kids! Today we shall learn about time interval. Let us begin. What do we mean by time interval? It is the time taken to carry out any activity. For finding the time interval for a particular activity, we need to subtract the starting time of the activity from the ending time of the activity. Let's understand it better through an example. Tashi went to play at 6:30 p.m. and came back at 7:35 p.m. How much time did she play in the evening? Here, to find the time interval of the activity, we subtract the starting time, that is 6 hours 30 minutes, from the ending time, that is 7 hours 35 minutes, to get the answer. On subtracting, we get the answer as 1 hour 5 minutes. Thus, we can say that Tashi spent 1 hour 5 minutes playing in the evening. Kids, note that the time interval for activities that get over within a few hours is called short time interval. Now, let's see how to find the larger time intervals, that is, when an activity starts at one time of the day, that is, AM or PM, and ends at other time of the day, that is, PM or AM, respectively, within 24 hours. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Ben leaves for office at 9:30 a.m. and returns back home at 7:45 p.m. How much time does he spend out of his home? Now, to solve this, there are two methods. Let's start with the first method, that is, by counting the time from 9:30 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. in 3 intervals. Firstly, count the minutes to the next hour, that is, from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., which is 30 minutes. As we have to count the time till 7:45 p.m., we need to count the hours in between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., which is equal to 9 hours. Lastly, find the minutes after 7 p.m. up till 7:45 p.m., which is equal to 45 minutes. Now, add all the intervals. Add the minutes, that is 30 plus 45 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. Now, add the hours, that is 1 plus 9 hours is equal to 10 hours. Look, we found the time interval. Now, let's solve the example with method 2, that is, convert the time to the 24-hour clock and then subtract. Firstly, convert 9:30 a.m. to the 24-hour clock time, which is 930 hours. Now, convert 7:45 p.m. to the 24-hour clock time, which is 1945 hours. Now, subtracting the starting time of the activity from the ending time of the activity gives us the time interval. Thus, on subtracting, we get the answer as 10 hours 15 minutes. Answer: Ben spends 10 hours 15 minutes out of home. Kids, try to find out the time interval for each of the daily activities that you do.
Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day and goodbye.